Right, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is in your side. I'm going to be teaching how to do this design. I'll try to make it fast. It's not a hard thing. It's just the picture on the right up and the shapes. So that's everything about design. So if you are new to this channel, please do well to subscribe and like, share it with your friends and learn more. Understand? So I'm going to go straight to the design. I'll try to make it as fast as possible. So straight up, I'm going to off my data now. So the size I use was 128 by 1600. That's 4 by 8, 4 by 5. Sorry. So that's how I used, and the first thing I did was to put my text. Now, whichever one that works for you. Some people make their background before text, but I like putting my text before the background. So that's just the way I like designing. So if you know the one that is good for you, do it to use it. The goal is to have a better design. That's just the goal. So this is it, and it's like that why it's cutting. So I'm going to increase this, the padding. So I'm going to centralize this and duplicate, copy, that's duplicate, sorry. And I'm going to write our caps locks. So like this, I'm going to increase this. Yeah, so this is just it's basically, so I'm going to be changing the color to the color I use, which is this D61E25. That's the red I use. I did not use 100% red. I picked that color from the color of the Coca-Cola I use. So I'm going to import my images. Download. Okay. So this is what I use. Something like this. And then I reduce the opacity a bit. 85. So I'm just going to lock it. And then the shadow, I put this 49, okay, 49, and then this is 12. So this is what I use, and this shadow. So this is basically the shadow I use. This one is in the middle, this one is part of the middle, and this one the extreme end. So that is the shadow I used. And then I think I still need to rotate this a little. Okay, so the next thing, I imported my drink. That's so I gave it the same shadow. placed it back of the cook. So this is it, and then I lock it up. So the next thing I did was to add my shapes, which is a circle. The fill is red, the same red for the stroke. So I just increase it. The stroke is white, and then I'll add shadow to it, the same kind of shadow, which is facing, so it will be as if there is a light from the other side that is facing it there. So this is it. I'll copy this and then make it smaller than this. So I'm going to lock these things up. Another thing I wrote was chill. I use the same Bebas fonts, Bebas Neo. Colored so white. I'm just trying to be fast. I'll do copy it and then position it. The other word I use cool. And then I increase the font to the size of the circle. Okay, this shadow I'm seeing here, I'm not liking it. Alright, so I finished the blur on the shadow. Sorry about that. I finished it, so the last 200 to 25. So that's why it was not giving me the main shadow I needed. So this is it. So going to the background, I added the noise effect, just it, reduce and increase. Okay, one other thing I added to the back was this. So I just finished it and duplicated them. I shared them across. And then I made all of them together. It's going to take a little time and then send to back. So this is it. Okay, added a circle. Circle is like this. the fill for the circle, the opacity was reduced and the stroke was increased. And then picking the same red color, and this is just it. Send to back and lock it. So this is basically the design, and I added my name, Simple Graphics, and the font was Autograph. Okay, I think I added another write-up to that. Okay, yes, I did something else. Let me finish this. I'm trying to be fast. So this is it, and I added every weekend. Every weekend. Using the same Bebas font. And then I've stretched the text a little. The 3 is okay. So what I did was the color. I used the gradient color, which is this. This side, the right hand side is 52A203, and the left hand side is DC1502. So you can use that to achieve that, and I use this one, this third side up there. So this is basically the design. So the other thing I did was just to add this stuff, this square, this double triangle. So I decided to use white, and then the stroke should be red. Sorry, white, the stroke is red. So this is the end of the tutorial. Why not try it out and send it to the WhatsApp group? If you're in the Telegram group, I'm going to post the WhatsApp group link for you to join the WhatsApp group. And as time goes on, we're going to be doing a weekend talk on designs. Understand? So thank you very much, and God bless.